Okay, so this is an unboxing of a Mini O bullet camera, and I just want to show you the box first. Right here, it shows you some of the information in it. It has 720 HD video recording, has a micro SD slot for recording. It's Wi-Fi 2.4 all the way across. It has two-way talk through it, so you can actually talk through the app. It has night vision up to 15 feet, which is pretty good. Secure cloud recording if you want it, and motion detection alerts. Also, it's indoor. This thing works with your Echo devices. So if you have an Echo Show, this device is great to work with the Echo Show. So let's get this thing open, and then I'll show you what's inside the box for this box open video. And later I'll do another tutorial where we actually set this up with the Echo Show. Boy, that's some tough plastic, folks. You see me open some boxes, and this is thick. First thing is, this EZVIZ camera is thick plastic. All right, so you're going to want to get the app when you set it up. All right, here we go. Opening the box. Right there, you can see the camera. Let's get all that pull tab. Right there. Look at that. There's the camera. Pretty nice. Let's get a good look at it. It's got a screen protector there. You see sound and microphone and sound. Very, very nice. There's the micro SD slot right there. Nice. I'll set this right here. So that's that. Let you tilt it back a little bit. What else is in the box? Oh, look at that. Always QR code so you can get your apps easier. It's brilliant. This is the Mini O Quick Start Guide. So it has setup inside, what's inside the box, basic information. That's nothing much, but it's got something in there. These guys are the metal pieces, along with these are sticky pieces so that you can mount this thing easier. It's for the mount if you want to mount it on the wall. Here's the power cord, which is a USB cord, and this is a micro USB cable, just so everyone knows. It also comes with this piece right here. So this is what a lot of folks wonder about, because nowadays you get a cable, but you don't get the part that goes in the wall. Well, here's the part that goes in the wall, and of course another sticky mount right here. What else is in the bottom of the box? Looks like it's your warranty information in the bottom and customer support card. That's great. So that's what's inside the box, and we appreciate you guys watching this video. Please check in for our tutorial on how to set this up, as well as a tutorial we'll do on how to use this with an Echo Show later. And with that said, don't forget, sign up to subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on everything that's going on. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.